If you have a large image file and you want to make it smaller without making things too complicated, GIMP is one of the easiest tools you can use. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce an image file size in GIMP quickly and safely, so you can save space, upload images faster, and keep your workflow simple. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open GIMP on your computer, then press Ctrl+O on your keyboard. This is the fastest way to open an image. A file window will appear, and from there, select the large image you want to reduce in size. Once you click on your image, GIMP will open it in the editor. Now that your image is loaded, the first way to reduce file size is by shrinking the dimensions. This is one of the most effective methods because a smaller image resolution usually means a smaller file size too. To do this, go up to the top menu and click Image, then choose Scale Image. A new window will open with width and height settings. Here, change the width to a smaller number, depending on where you plan to use the image. For example, you might set it to 1200 pixels or 1920 pixels. As you adjust the width, GIMP will automatically change the height to keep the image proportions correct, which is important, so your image does not look stretched or distorted. Once you're happy with the size, click Scale to apply the changes. At this point, your image will already be smaller in dimensions, which usually helps lower the file size significantly. Next, it's time to export the image in a more compressed format. Go to File, then click Export As. This is important because exporting lets you save a new version of the image in a file type that is smaller than the original. In the file name box, type .jpg or .webp at the end of the file name. JPG and WebP are both great formats for reducing image size, and they are commonly used for web uploads, blogs, and general sharing. After naming the file, click Export. GIMP will now open the Export Settings window. Here, you'll see a quality slider. Lowering this value helps reduce the file size even more. A good starting point is around 75%. That usually gives you a solid balance between image quality and smaller file size. If your image still looks good at that level, you're in a great spot. If you need to make it even smaller, you can lower it a bit more, but always be careful not to reduce the quality too much. Now, before you finish, there's one more important step that many people forget. Click Advanced Options, and then uncheck all the boxes related to saving metadata and EXIF data. Metadata can include extra information like camera details, location data, and other hidden file information that increases file size. By removing it, you can make the image even lighter without affecting the visible picture. Once those options are turned off, go ahead and confirm the export. GIMP will save your optimized image, and you'll now have a smaller file that is much easier to upload, share, or store. So to recap, you opened the image with Ctrl+O, resized it through Image and Scale Image, exported it as JPG or WebP, lowered the quality to around 75%, and removed metadata in Advanced Options. That's the simplest way to reduce an image file size in GIMP. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.